Hello everyone, welcome back again to PLAXIS 3D course from theory to practice. This is lesson 64. So in this example we are going to predict a liquefaction in multi-layered soil using UBC3D-PLM constitutive model in PLAXIS 3D. So if you remember, in a previous example we predicted the liquefaction using these constitutive models in PLAXIS 3D, but we only had one single soil layer, so actually it is not practical in reality. So in this example we will assume that we will have a problem like this, which consists of four soil layers with different SPT numbers. So this will be our example, and we will estimate, or we will predict, actually predict the liquefaction using UBC3D-PLM constitutive models in PLAXIS 3D. So the depth of these soil layers 30 meters. So it will be separated into four different soil layers with different SPT numbers. So please do not forget this is a corrected SPT value, and we will estimate the parameters of UBC 3D PLM models based on the SPT value. So I have already prepared or modeled this geometry in PLAXIS. I want to show you the properties of the project, and the soil contours are like this one. And let me double click on the borehole. So we have four soil layers with different SPT numbers, and I have already defined the four soil materials, or four materials. Each of these materials represent a different SPT value. For example, this is a first layer, and the SPT number equal 6, and based on this number all these parameters are calculated and inputted. Okay, so after defining the geometry and soil materials, we proceed to structure mode to apply the earthquake at the bottom of the model. So we have explained how we apply the earthquake at the base of the model in lesson 60 in details. So that's why I will not talk about how we apply the earthquake at the base of the model. And after that we proceed to mesh, and I have already generated a mesh which is a media mesh, and after that we proceed to staged construction.